Hello friends, I am Mr. R.N. Nikam and you are watching my channel Ramdas Nikam. I request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell button because whenever I will upload a new video you will get the notification quickly. Thank you. Friends, as you know, this year you have been prescribed a new syllabus of standard 12th and this is the cover page of your textbook. Today we are going to deal with section 2, that is poetry. And now let's deal with poem number 1, namely Song of the Open Road, which is written by the American poet Walt Whitman. And this poem is one of the poems from the collection called Leaves of Grass. The poem is about a person who set off on a journey. We can say it is a symbolic of a person to start on life's journey. The poem speaks of the open road, reminding the reader of the outdoors and the freedom. The person described in the poem is ready to meet all kind of obstacles coming in his way along the journey. Actually, poetry section will be for only 8 marks and question number 4 will be on poetry section, and you will be given the suggestion. Read the extract and do the activities that follow. It will be scene extract of 12 to 16 lines only, and the 4 activities will be asked for 8 marks, 2 marks each. First will be factual understanding, second interpretation or poetic device for 2 marks, appreciation or personal response type activity for 2 marks, poetic creativity for 2 marks. Each activity. Now let's deal with the icebreakers. And first activity is choose the mode of travel that you would like the most for a journey. याचा अर्थ असा की प्रवास करण्याकरता तुम्हाला सर्वात जास्त आवडणारा प्रवासाचा प्रकार निवडायला सांगितलेला आहे. तर 4 प्रकार या ठिकाणी दिलेले आहेत. ए एअरवेज म्हणजे हवाई मार्ग, बी वॉटरवेज म्हणजे जलमार्ग, सी रेल्वेज म्हणजे रेल्वे मार्ग आणि डी रोडवेज म्हणजे रस्ते मार्ग. तुम्हाला इथे दिलेल्या 4 प्रकारांपैकी तुमच्या आवडीचा प्रवासाचा प्रकार निवडायचा आहे. तुम्हाला कोणता प्रकार आवडतो, का आवडतो त्यामागची प्राधान्य कारणं पण द्यायची आहे. ॲटलिस्ट यू हॅव टू चूज वन मोड ऑफ ट्रान्सपोर्ट अँड हॅव टू गिव्ह रिझन्स फॉर युअर प्रिफरन्स. सो टू चूज युअर most favorite mode of journey, and here if you have to choose railways then you will have to give reasons behind your choice. Railway is safe, quick and cheap also. It is also very useful for long distance journey. It is convenient. We can travel at the time of night. We can take rest in. It's comfortable individuals and families also, and large groups can travel through the bogies. We can see the passing view, beautiful landscape. Here we have the opportunity to meet different people and even make friends there, and we can enjoy this journey. That's why if you choose airways then you will have to give the reasons of your choice. Airways is time saving mode of transport. Its economic class is also affordable, and it is really useful for international journey. We can do it and we can enjoy this new experience of airways as well. In this way you can do this, and you can also choose the mode of transport like roadways and waterways, but they are very common. Okay. Now second activity, discuss with your partner the preparations you would like to make for your journey chosen. म्हणजे तुम्ही निवडलेल्या प्रवास प्रकाराची तुम्ही कशी तयारी कराल याची तुमच्या मित्राबरोबर तुम्ही चर्चा करायची किंवा तुमच्या सहकार्याबरोबर चर्चा करायला या ठिकाणी सांगितलेलं आहे. तर तुम्ही रस्त्याने प्रवास करायचं ठरवलं, रोडवेजचा उपयोग करायचा ठरवलं, तर मग तुमच्या या तयारीसाठी काय काय लागणार आहे. You will have to select your destination, then you will have to take your route. and then you would have to think about your food, water, journey, medicine, other equipments, then clothes, then mobile phone, camera, and so many things. Now the third icebreaker. Discuss the ways in which you would overcome the problems, hindrances, difficulties you face during the journey. म्हणजे प्रवासाच्या काळात येणाऱ्या समस्या असतील, अडथळे असतील, अडचणी असतील, तर यांच्यावरती तुम्ही कशाप्रकारे मात कराल, अशा गोष्टींवर तुम्हाला चर्चा करायला सांगितली आहे. तुम्हाला कोणती समस्या येणार आहे त्या संदर्भात या ठिकाणी तशा प्रकारचं उत्तर पेपर येते. या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला शारीरिक अडचण आली की आर्थिक अडचण आली त्यावर उत्तर अवलंबून राहील. मित्र हो, आता समजा इन केस ऑफ डिफिकल्टी यू वुड हॅव टू गो द नियरेस्ट सिटी or your nearest relative to sort out your problem, or inform your friends, police, local person, or your dear and near who are living in nearby area, or you have to go to a safe place if you are in natural calamity, or you must be able to solve your own problem yourself. These are some of the ways you have to overcome your difficulties. Now the fourth icebreaker. During every journey, we have to observe certain rules. Discuss your ideas of the journey without any restrictions. याचा अर्थ असा की प्रवासाच्या वेळी आपल्याला काही नियम पाळावे लागतात आणि निर्बंधांशिवाय प्रवासाविषयीच्या तुमच्या मनातील कल्पना मांडा असं या ठिकाणी सांगितलं. त्या ठिकाणी एक ॲक्टिव्हिटी बनवून दाखवलेली आहे. आय वुड गो अलोन विथ सिलेक्टेड फ्रेंड्स, किंवा फॉलो द प्रोटोकॉल, किंवा I would go with my family, or I will use my own vehicle, or select my own place of interest or tourist spot where there is no risk. In this way you can write the answer of this activity, and these are the really brainstorming activities. Here you have to think yourself and write the answers of such questions. You have to use your imagination power as well. Now let's obtain some information about the poet Walt Whitman. He was born in the year 1819 and died in the year 1892. He was an American poet, essayist and journalist. Whitman is among the most influential poets in the American canon and is often called the father of the free verse. He grew up in Huntington in a family with difficult economic status. His major work, Leaves of Grass, was published in July in 1885. His O Captain, My Captain, a poem written on the death of Abraham Lincoln, is widely popular. The section 1 of Song of the Open Road from Leaves of Grass is a beautiful blend of self-awareness, free will and tenderness of heart. It gives us poets realization that along the journey of life one will face a test of wisdom which is not tested in any school or university. A road is something everyone uses, whether rich or poor, and it forces all levels of people to associate with one another. The road signifies mobility. One can take the road as a point to start over towards something new. Whitman talks about the people and places. He argues against staying in one place for too long, although the hospitality may be true. वॉल्ट विटमन हे अमेरिकन कवी, निबंधकार आणि जर्नलिस्ट होते आणि एवढंच नव्हे तर अमेरिकन साहित्यातील एक प्रभावी असं ते व्यक्तिमत्व होते. आता ही जी कविता आहे सॉन्ग ऑफ द ओपन रोड आपण पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये बघू, कारण हा व्हिडिओ मोठा होईल. जर आपल्याला हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा, सबस्क्राईब करा. थँक्यू.